Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa. Inna Allah la yazlimu mithqala zarrah wa in taku hasanatan yudha'ifha wa yu'ti min ladunhu ajran 'azima. Translation: Surely Allah never does injustice, even not equal to a smallest particle, and if there is a good deed, He multiplies it and gives much greater reward from Himself. In the previous ayahs, we study that the non-believers are stingy. They are miserly acting, and they advise other people to be miser as well, and they do not spend from whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given them, and these people deserve punishment. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioned that these people, if they spend, their goal is to get worldly benefit. Their goal is to get good name in this world so that other people praise them. Their goal is not to please Allah, and they do not have any sincerity in their hearts, and they are the companion of evil, and evil is a bad companion. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioned that since they do not believe in Allah and they do not believe in the hereafter, that is the reason they do not spend. And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that whoever is doing injustice to himself will be getting punishment. Not spending in the path of Allah with sincere heart, not believing in hereafter, not believing in Allah, and not doing the good deeds are doing injustice to oneself, because these people will get punishment, and this punishment is not due to any injustice from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is due to their own injustice that they have done on their souls. This is due to the sins that they have done for themselves. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's essence is much higher that He can do any injustice to anyone. And any of His slaves, if they perform good deeds, they will get even higher rewards. And as mentioned, that one good deed gets at least 10 rewards, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can increase them to 700 or 700,000 times, or to whatever extent He wills. The only thing a human has to do is to strive towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with the sincere heart, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will guide him towards the straight path. Let's pray that Allah guides us to the straight path and help us do good deeds and save us from doing any sins. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.